Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we provide a dimension to the objects in AutoCAD. So for that, you have to click on this home button, and here in this annotation group, the middle option, that is dimension. Just click on that and this command will be activated. So now your command is saying to specify the first extension line. So this corner, let's take it the first point, and now you have to specify the second point. So here it is. Now just after clicking, you will be free to give it a distance of the line. So I'll take it here. Now as you can see, you are not able to see the dimension, how much it is length. So to make it visible, you can do the dimension settings, press escape and then press D, enter, where this box appear, which is a dimension style manager, and click on modify, and here you can do the settings related to the lines, symbols, text, all the things related to the dimensions. So I will change here the dimension length, also the extension length, and here you can see the preview. Also I want to change the arrow, size of arrow. So let's suppose the size of arrow is 0.3 fit, and the text, size of text will be like 0.5, and then I will press OK and then set current and then close. So now you are able to see the dimension, and you can also use the shortcut key, that is DIM, enter, specify the first point, second point, give a distance, and it's done. Press escape. And also guys, if you are already done with the settings, dimension settings, then you don't need to do this again and again. So this way you can provide the dimensions to the object. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.